Yeah, 4 weeks was a lie. Odyssey build. Yeah, where's it going? Not far. Being distracted by a lot of other builds at the minute. But yeah, the Odyssey we're moving, we've done exhaust. Escape pipe. Yeah. Hole for the 4-inch to go through to this big girl. I'm so shaky, eh? I'm creating a little dinosaur with my shake. Got all my rest of my exhaust from AAA exhaust, which is freaking awesome. They always help me with all my builds. Yeah, the best thing about them is obviously the local South Australia, but just at Richmond. But they bend all this stuff up there, do all their manual 4 inches, and they've always just got everything. They supply SA, all SA's exhausts and whatnot. So yeah, they help me out with all my builds. It's the dump pipe, obviously, and yeah, clearance to all the gearbox mounts that we already made. We had a gearbox cross member made, obviously not thinking about exhaust, so now we've done a curly hoop, so the pipe come through here, which it does, which is lovely. Turbo manifold's on for good because wastegate pipe's on. Yeah, it's obviously all shiny under here. I painted all this. Not many dribbles underneath. All the dribbles at the top where you can see it. Here's our wobbly floor we stuck in. There you go. Yeah. Rear end's just kind of back in for now, so we've got to put all the cool shit under there, all the good arms and all the sick stuff. Did a little custom tail shaft loopy as well, because I want to try and, yeah, do as many events as I can. But yeah, that bolts up to these bolts here and obviously over the tail shaft. But now we're going to have to make provisions for the exhaust to come through. Running 4 inches, crap. But I want 4 inch for when this thing actually has good power. 4 inch, 2 3s, probably muffy up here, there and there. And I'll do 2 3s and come out the factory twin exit in the bumper bar. Center section of the exhaust. Exhaust. Nice little connect the 2 pipes together. Little stealth mount up there. There it is. Yeah, so now I'll probably just go tight radius here, little V-band, muffler, and pipes at the back. But yeah, that's the idea. Will it go on? Probably not. Yeah, that's a no. Not even close. Next issue. Looks like it might be too wide for the trailer. Oh. Oh. Car would not go on. That was a nightmare. 6 different pairs of wheels I tried. Yeah, because the uprights and how low they sit in the rim, you got to run 18s on the front. So it was a nightmare. And I've raised it up. I've tried on all the wheels. different. That was the original. But it's on. As you can see, it fits tight. Yeah, barely fits. But whatever, it's on. Got paint job done by a mate of mine, Phil Bennett, which has got Bennett's Garage on YouTube. So yeah, you better see the paint job, like roll cage work, exhaust work. The wiring's kind of gone, yeah, from 0 to 5 million. It's got full M-Tron KV8 now and Motec PDM, and just it's gone crazy, the wiring, just the tech that this car's gonna have. It's got a sensor for a sensor and literally, it's got a sensor in the engine bay, temp sensor, which tells the sensors what temperature the engine bay is. So there you go. Yeah, so progressing there. Obviously these other little builds, we're doing just a lot of light-hearted builds like the Blue Crusader in our last video. We've had Jake Jones, Drift Squid, come here. So obviously his channel will be in the description. He's done a full workshop tour. So if you want to see a bit more detail and a bit more of the stuff that's kicking around here, and go and watch his video, which was, yeah, it was a good chat, good to catch up with him. I've known him for a long time, 12 years maybe 14. Yeah, so just a bit of a light-hearted video of where we're at with the car now, and I don't know, 4 weeks from here, probably not. Yeah, so in the meantime, so I don't start losing everybody and getting everyone bored, we've got 3 or 4 other projects that are deep on the go. So we'll be putting out videos of them really, really soon. So yeah, to look up some, I guess, behind the scenes kind of stuff, or just see what builds I do have going, just look on my Instagram. We'll have a description of that and we'll have it here, hopefully. Yeah, in the meantime, we've got a couple other builds on the go just to keep everything moving and keep the channel alive, and just do an easy build. This Odyssey was just massive build, like, I don't know, just massive. So we're just doing basic builds, just a few little things, lower everything. So yeah, look out for those builds, and they'll all be like a bit of footage pre us putting the footage up will be on my Instagram, so which will be here. So stay tuned to the YouTube channel. There's so many fun things coming, not long drawn out things, nice quick things like the Crusader video, which people seem to like, and I like. You know, I'm down for a 2-day build and a quick private property drive. So yeah, just stay tuned, subscribe if you can and you're interested. Lots to come, lots to come. I've got stickers.